everyone, so I am Wednesday here on the Beauty Collab XO, and this week we're supposed to be talking about our top 10 beauty essentials for springtime, and yeah, so I'm really excited to show you guys these because I love springtime and all of the things that come with it, so yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright, so the first product I'm going to be showing you guys is a highlighter, and this is something that I love to use during the spring because it kind of gives you that summery glow that you get when you have a tan, but I feel like it looks really pretty in springtime because, you know, like the floral colors and everything, and it's really bright. And this is a sheer cover highlight. It is in the color Bronze, and it's just this very pigmented powder highlight. I keep saying highlight, I'm sorry. But it's very, very pigmented. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's just kind of this bronze color, and it's just this really pretty highlight. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is actually a lotion, and this is, you know, during spring, typically people think about flowers and like color and all of that, and when I think flowers, I think like sweet smells. So I don't know if that's weird, but I have this Pure Seduction body lotion by Victoria's Secret. It smells so good. It's seriously like, it's just this really sweet smell. I really like using lotion because I like that I could use as much or as little of the lotion as I would like. I really like this lotion because it's sweet, but I can still like control it. For spring, one of my definite must-have is a nice smelling shampoo. This one is the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo by Organic, and it smells so good. It's just like, I don't know, it reminds me of like a beachy smell. I feel like your hair smelling nice is really important for springtime. I don't know, it's probably only me. I really like this, the smell of this, and I just used this yesterday, so I don't know if it's enough to tell whether it's like a really good product or not. I'll probably do like a review of this on my main channel, so if you guys want to see that, I'll put my main channel down below. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys are actually two lip products, and I know Lexi showed not the exact same product, but basically the same thing on her video on Monday, but so these are my two lip products that are my favorite right now, that I'm really excited to use for spring. So this first one is the Baby Lips lip balm in the color Quench. It's not really a color because it's clear. I love that this kind of gives your lips the glossiness of a lip gloss, but it's not as thick as it, so it feels really light. I like using clear because there are those days when I don't feel like, you know, trying too hard, like the day that I want to do the natural makeup. I think that's probably why this is one of my favorite products. Okay, so the other product is also Maybelline, of course. What else would it be? This is a new lipstick line called Color Whisper in the color Coral Ambition, and I am in love with this. I can't even begin to describe how much I like this color. So it's just this really pretty like corally color. Like the whole gist of why I like it so much is because it's very natural looking and it's very light. Just in case you guys do want to try this product out, there is a $2 coupon in the 17 magazine in case you guys already have it. And there's also, I don't know if it's still going on, but last time I went to Ulta, everything that was the Maybelline products were actually, I think, buy one get one 50% off, so that does help. The next product that I'm going to be showing you guys are the oil absorbing sheets, and this is just the generic brand from Walmart, I believe. For some reason during the springtime, my skin tends to get a little bit more oily. Instead of taking like a pressed powder with me to school or something, I just take these with me, and then after, you know, when I start to get oily, I'll just take them out, like dab my face a little bit, and my skin looks like refreshed all over again. Okay, so the next product I'm going to be showing you guys is an eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Color Tattoo line, and this is in the color Bad to the Bronze. If you want to do more of a natural look, then bronze looks really pretty. The next product I'm going to be showing you guys is a blush, and this is the Dream Bouncy Blush by Maybelline in the color Pink Plum. So it's just this really pretty pink. I love the way that this looks on, like, during springtime. Like the floral pattern and all that, it has like really pretty pink colors, and so I feel like this definitely goes with like those floral pants or floral shirts that anybody has. So yeah, I really like the bright pink cheek look. The next product I'm going to be showing you guys is actually an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Maybelline New York Eye Studio in the color Taupe Temptress. It's just these really pretty pink color, so I really like that palette. Alright, and the very last thing I'm going to be showing you guys is actually a nail polish. So this is just an example that I have because I really like the bright colors for springtime. This is called Cute as a Button. It's just this very bright pink, but it still has that like orangey tint to it. I don't know if it's just like a shimmer in there that's orange. It might be. And these are like the colors that I really like for spring because they're bright and they're pretty. So those are my top 10 beauty essentials for the springtime. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys want to go check out my main beauty channel, it will be linked down below. And make sure you guys stick around the rest of the week to watch all of the other girls do their top 10 beauty essentials because I don't know about you guys, but I am really excited to see new products. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye everyone.